Thanks for monitoring student services in the school include welfare, guidance and counseling services, the school library and services. In order for the head teacher to evaluate his school services, staff members are delegated to some duties as headmaster or mistress, class teacher, game master, guidance and counseling master, duty master, senior master, labor master, prep master, and others. So also, students are appointed as prefects to oversee the conduct of their colleagues in various activities, among which are the head boy, food prefects, labor, health, and others. Let us explain the monitoring and appraisal of school finance. As a head teacher, you have to explain the procedures for generating income in your school and the way you spend it. So at the end, you will be able to account for it. The first one, we have bookkeeping in school. In order to facilitate accountability, keeping records, enhance planning and overall financial performance, the school must keep clear and accurate information of all its financial transactions. So this is what we call bookkeeping. Some of the books that are expected under the custody of the head teacher. The first one is called budget book. In this book, there is a record of items and the amount of money approved to be expended per term are supposed to be kept. We cited some examples. In the school, during the budget, you are expected to allocate amounts on each of the aspects of your school. This book will essentially show how much is left for the budget in each of the items that you break inside the book. A sample is here. We give example to one item, a school bus, not a personal bus or not a personal vehicle for the head teacher. 200,000 was allocated for that particular bus per term. Out of this amount, you purchase 2 tires at the cost of 46,000 per one. Total 108,000. So you allocated 200. Out of this, you are to deduct 92,000. Your remaining balance is 108. Later, you purchase 30 liters of petrol at the rate of 98 pipe, 985 naira. Okay, the date is 1st July at that time. 28,500 in total. Then subtract out of your balance 108. You have the remaining balance of 79,500. You also buy new windscreen to your vehicle at the cost of 32,250, and you have the remaining balance of 47,250. So this is how you're supposed to allocate each item his own, her own budget. Then there is what we call voucher. Before payment are made, vouchers have to be written. A voucher explains the reasons and the authority for the expenditure. The school should have uncapped vouchers showing detail of financial transaction. A sample of the voucher was given in the page 14. The voucher contains the letter headed of the school or write the school name and the address, then the date of the expenditure, amount written in words, then in figures in brackets, being payment authorized by the head teacher, paid by treasurer, cash officer, and whomsoever responsible. Then the payee, maybe the name of the person that you have paid for. If it is supply, the company. If it is a staff, write the name of staff for easy retrieval of your receipt. Each voucher is subject to attach with the payment receipt. For local vouchers, local purchase orders, they are used to identify and authorize local purchases voted for the school. It's just an agreement between the school and the supplier. And it is the first task of the administrator each morning to record such things. We have cash book where all cash transactions are recorded. We have petty cash book, which is distributed for official purpose. The money distributed for official purpose is recorded under petty book. We have checkbook. You all know check. No further explanation. A logbook. But the only what I wanted to chip in is that at times you discover some misses in your check. So as a school head, you are expected to report the matter to the bank immediately. That number so and missing. Please do not authorize that particular or do not grant approval to the missing pages. The logbook or journal is one of the very important books for a school head. It's a book which a school head records all financial transactions in the journal. This book can be referred to as logbook. It has to be written every day. This is the first activity of administrator under accounting cycle. The sample, whenever you purchase something, you are expected to collect receipt. And this receipt, there are serial numbers. Here, you are expected to write the date of the expenditure, the purpose, then the receipt number. If the expenditures are more than one and you purchase them at one shop, so you're supposed to record all expenditures as showing on 5th August 2024. If the item was purchased under many shops, so you have to collect more than one receipt and you are expected to record all of them. We have financial ledgers. is just a book where head of the school posts the information provided in the journal. The purpose of the letter is for recording financial transaction of the schools as they occur. Others are trial balance, financial statements, balance sheets, income statement, black book. You are aware of all these ones. For black book is the book that shows the record of outstanding debt of the schools. For example, you are owing so parent amount of money. Assuming I'm collecting 1,000 naira per term. Adamu Umar is a JSS1 student. We have 3 terms per session. That is 3,000 naira. Use your computer, use your Excel. His second year is also 3,000, up to multiply 3 by 6. Then put the amount, then minus the summation of other columns. As he pay in the first year, it just might deduct automatically. The second year, automatically. The third one, automatically. When you come to see his remaining balance, you just see the outstanding. Then, as a head of institution, you have so many ways to evaluate yourself. You can collect, we used to collect information from ex-students by using questionnaire, interview, school records, school calendar, or in short, from statutory and non-statutory records kept in the schools. For mentoring, it is just about a mentorship. A mentor is an individual with expertise who can help develop a career of a mentee. In educational context, monitoring occurs when an experienced staff advise and guide other staff with less experience. The essence of this session is that we wanted to reintroduce mentor and mentee relationship for smooth transition of our daily routine duties. At times, in the administration of the organization, we used to provide gaps, some loopholes, as a result of non-showing or non-guiding the junior ones on how to undertake their daily responsibilities. So as a head teacher, you need guidance, you need support.